everybody talk about my thief Kartel song. Me not understand. I never know say when you modify somebody's lyrics and you put some of your lyrics to it, that means you teach the song. I'm a thief song, so no, that's sense, you know. I am a writer, but of course if somebody come with a song, I'm a believing of the song. And they're not a singer, but they want to sing the song. Of course them can get percentage because the money for share, everybody for eat that food. So I'm not see what people are trying to do. Right, you must sing the next song. And some thief the more them fight, the stronger me get. Hey, you can't stop me, I want to stick of it. Hey, tell bad boy, so the lager get. Hey! You better stop follow up this fuckery, cause you know we're mad. Can't say me never tell me, you know, stop following it up, cause no found no. I go look like idiot when everything done, just watch. So everybody at top.
She mix and everything. We love it. So, as a manager now, I say, you know what? I'm going to shoot a video for this song and then release the video and the song instantly. Upon the day of shooting the video, about 2 hours after we finish shoot the video, we got a call from some people saying that them representing Vibes and saying that yo, we can't release the song. So I said okay, I said I am not the producer of the song, so you need to call Elvis, so unique. So them say yeah, but Ramisha, you have the music video and this and that. And I said okay, but I have invested my money in shooting a music video already, and if anybody know me do business, I pay for everything in a full and do my work. Do not like to owe. So I talk to Elvis. I said Elvis, them I said this can't go, and Elvis is saying, how can somebody tell me say my song can't go? Me produce the song, me have the master, me have this, me have that. He said, just ignore them. Person call back after. Be a tough chat and be about something or whatever. She mix and everything. We love it.
So now is when Ramesh and Shenseea want to say Kartel was the writer and Kartel was the person behind the song. My youth, it's too late. You can't big up the man after him do what him do. It's a bit too late now. He did what he did because he didn't want the song to be a collaboration. Now y'all are doing damage control. It is what it is. Nobody know which are bad. Nobody know bad minor. It's just about ethics and the dancehall music industry and how grimy people are, and they will go through any lengths to boss people or get money or make people famous.
So, the saga is not yet finished. So, I'm laying here chilling by a food and they on my Instagram and people are tagging me in a bunch of stuff, and normally me have to get cute and look how pretty and stuff to come on my YouTube channel, but this one is on the go. Shenseea put out a video saying that she modified Vibes Kartel song lyrics because Vibes Kartel couldn't sing it, this, that, blah, blah, blah. All of who would follow up this are gonna look like fool in at the end and all sort of stuff. Shenseea, Ramesh need to educate you if cause you look like an idiot. That is called plagiarism. Look it up. Look upon the definition. You can't modify somebody's lyrics and then say are yours. Okay? That's plagiarism. Okay? And with a person like Vibes Kartel, me not think we don't fit play with Vibes Kartel as far as his lyrics and his music is concerned, especially where he is at now with his appeal and stuff. And as far as what I'm getting off all these little snippets on IG is that you guys already knew that Kartel did not want the song to be a collaboration. He did not want Shenseea on his song. And that's why he did what he did. So everybody went upon my page when I uploaded my first video talking about BS. But how she never take Kartel song, she never thief Kartel song and all this. If you modify somebody lyrics, that doesn't make it yours, okay? It's called plagiarism, okay? If you don't give the person the proper acknowledgement and the proper respect that they need or they're supposed to get. So all of who they talk about she no thief song and she no this and she no that need to go get some education basically. And Ramesh need to actually take up whoever he's managing in a hand and actually teach her or send her back to school or something basically, because you can take somebody's words and remix it and say a few. Who does that? First of all, who does that? She needs to go look up the definition of plagiarism ASAP. And she dip on Instagram and go on with a bag of things and it's just a hot ass mess. As far as her music and her career is concerned, I don't wish bad upon anyone. I wouldn't like to see her career done after this because of a stupid mistake her management team made. She have talent and only time will tell if that talent is of substance and it will bring her through this whole controversy, because controversy sells. And that make Kartel who him be. Kartel have to have him name in everything that's going on. And when he does his controversy, he know when they do. He know look like a coffee. He know look like an idiot. Okay? Kartel know the business inside out. He's one of the only artists that know the pen and paper behind the scenes of the music. There's a lot of stuff that goes on inside the music industry that allows artists not to fully have their songs. So the master can take a percentage, the engineer can take a percentage of the song, the songwriter can take a percentage of the song, the artist can take a percentage of the song. So all in all, most of the time, songs are not the artist's only songs. And honestly, Shenseea is not to be blamed. She probably not even did know that Kartel did not want the song to be a collaboration. She probably know late as to what Ramesh is saying. She probably know when them done remix the song, done do whatever, and that's at the end of the day. So if I was an artist, I mean, was somebody say, all right, my song was never a collaboration, me no want my song out there like that, I would have never allow it to go out. Me understand that everybody want a boss, and me understand that everybody want to make money, and this is a whole money making industry as far as music is concerned. But I think where people forget in the music industry is about ethics. Ethics is everything, not only in the music industry, in any category, in any field of business, of entertainment. You have to be an ethical person, and if you're not that, then people are not gonna work with you at all. And with how Kartel have stronghold upon dancehall, he can actually allow some things to happen to her if she don't know what she they do and if she don't keep quiet. And I understand that people that say Elvis was the one that allowed it to happen because Elvis produced the song. But Elvis should know better also. If Kartel say, yo, I don't want my song to be a collaboration, then don't make the man song be a collaboration. And then there won't be no controversy about it or any of that. But people fail to realize that when Kartel do business, he does business. Whether him want to do it late or early is up to him. And Kartel contrive stuff, okay? He does what he does on his own time. You know, do not upon nobody else's time. So if him wait 6 months for address it, him wait 6 months. And that's just how it goes, basically. As Ramesh said, the same time Shenseea and him do the video, they said someone came and said Kartel does not approve of this and does not approve of this video. And Ramesh still went along with it and he still put it out there. And Elvis is a big part of to be blamed as far as I'm concerned, because if me and Addy a friend and me have song for Addy and him say, yo, me no want this artist for me song and I don't want to collaborate, why would I, as a producer, disrespect the man and go put some artist on in thing that he don't want it to be on? I guess it's money. I guess it's controversy. I guess he knew that Kartel would do something in retaliation. For every reaction, for every action, there's a reaction. So I guess Elvis knew that there would be a reaction from Kartel, whether it's sooner rather than later. But Shenseea, my girl, you do your thing. Nobody is not saying anything negative about her. You can't say you reword some people's song and then you talk about how I feel your song. Like, it don't not no go so. You never give him no writer's credit yet. You never acknowledge him yet. You never big him up yet. But now you're gonna talk about your rewording song. Girl, goodbye, man. Goodbye. There's no rewording anybody's song, especially in the music industry. It's called plagiarism, and you can get sued for it. So she needs to understand what she's talking about and be very critical in what she posts on social media and what her management team allows her to do, because I can smell a lawsuit brewing if Kartel want to take it this up. If he really want to take it there, I feel like he can get mad money from both Ramesh and Shenseea off of this one song. Even Elvis also, because I know more than likely that Kartel have rights to this song, and that's why he let out the original off Lodi. The man not gonna just let you out so if he doesn't have rights to it. So, and he can't actually. So we're gonna be here to report on what goes on as this whole drama, this whole saga unfolds before our eyes, because this is a hot topic. Shenseea, go on do your thing. Nobody know wish you bad, but understand this. You can't plagiarize somebody's craft and art and then talk about how you reword. No reword, no go so. It's either you write it or you don't write it. You copy it or you don't copy it. One out of the other. There's no go around and come around and go in between and all that. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube, man. I'm up out of here.